Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to sew a summer dress with sleeveless and collar. Keep going to give you another dress idea for summer. I just wanna bring you guys a simple way to follow, and this dress is definitely easy and quick to sew. I love the result it turned out. It's really simple dress design, but super cute, pretty, and perfect for summer. Okay, let's get started. I picked up a kind of cotton fabric. It's linen with floral on it. This material is a little bit thick and dry when I touch it, but really cool and comfortable when I wear it. I already wrote the pattern on the paper. They look super simple, right? Here are a half up front and a half up back. I will add an invisible pocket on both hips. Now I'm gonna fold the fabric in half, put the front button on it and cut out. And I also cut 2 panels of back side. I'm starting to overlock all of the edges of fabric with my serger. After that, I'm going to place 2 back panels on the table. From top, go down 20 cm, mark it there. From there, stitching 2 panels together down the bottom. Next, from top of back side, at the opening part, I'm gonna fold the fabric to the wrong side and stitch it. Then I'm going to connect front and back side together at the shoulder. Moving on to the invisible pockets on both hips. I already cut 4 identical panels. I like to cut a circle shape like this. You can also cut rectangle shape if you want, but the length of the mouth of the pockets is 13 cm. Now I'll put 2 panels with the right side and sew them together. Okay, I got 2 pockets like this, and now I will apply it on the both hips. From the armpit, go down 28 cm, mark it there, and pin the pocket on front side, and sew them together. Then I will turn the wrong side out and pin the other side of this pocket on the back side and sew them together. Now I'm going to connect front and back side together from the armpit to the top of bucket and the bottom of bucket down the bottom of dress. Doing that on the other side. And now I'm gonna fold the fabric double time to the wrong side to hem the bottom of the dress. For the armhole, based on the armhole of the dress, I cut 2 panels for each side, front and back like this, with 4 cm width. Then I iron a thin interfacing on to make them thicker. Now print them to overlock around and connect the end to close. Okay, I'm gonna pin them on the armhole of dress at the armpit point and the shoulder point and sew them together. Now I trim a little bit at the armpit point and shoulder point, then flip it over to the wrong side of dress. Next, I'm going to understick on it to make the armhole of dress look flat and nice. The armhole of the dress just look like this. Remember to iron them to make it more flat. Now, moving on to the color of the dress, I bought this beautiful color at the sewing accessory shop. You need to measure the length of the neckline of the dress, how to fit with the length of the collar part matching with the neck of the dress. And now, I will remove threads at the matching part of collar first. Next, I'm going to put the neckline of dress between the collar and sew them together. The color on dress is look like this, really nice, right? And you can see the false pearl on the collar. Now I'm gonna stick some false pearl on the petal of flowers to matching with the color. And I'm done. Here's the final look. This dress is really nice, beautiful, pretty and super comfortable. Hope you like my tutorial and see you next Thursday. Bye!